When putting eye drops in your pet, dog or cat, there's two forms that the eye medications will come in. You'll either have drops or you'll have an ointment, but they're both applied similarly. With the best way to approach the pet is not to come directly at them. They will always back up and move away from you. The best way is to take your dominant hand, put it on the top of their head, lift their head up, and with your pinky finger, pull their eyelid back a little bit and place the drop in their eye.